Now let's look at how we can take these flying geese and turn them into our hen house. So this is what I'm talking about. See how I have this tray and I have all of my goodies on it? You can have your projects on a tray, in a basket. These trays you can get at Hobby Lobby or Michael's, any home good type store. They have, this one actually came with this big one, another one, and then so it had a large, medium, and a small on it. And then your baskets to help keep you organized. So you can put everything back on here, set it over somewhere, bring another project out, and then that way you can stay organized with what you're doing. Okay, so did we pull the camera out so we can get, is that a biggest shot as we can get?
Want more?
A little bit more, please. Yes, I want more. Okay, so let's look. So see, look at the, now in Quilt Club Week, Kay taught a class, I think it's in this year's class, about how to make little project bags, and it's nice that you can see through them. So on the front you can do your clear, on the back you can put like an orphan block or something on there, or you can do it plain, but that way you can see what's in there. And this is all of my steps of where I'm at with a hen house. Now I always like to have a scrap quilt going. This one I think I started 2 years ago. And just as I get more little scraps, then I just make up more basic squares. So you can see here in this little basket, all of my basic squares. So look, you know, that's a size that, I don't know what that is, maybe a 2-inch, 2.5. But you know, that's a good little scrap right there. And just sew your strips around it and get your basic square. And then when you're ready to, like yesterday, it was such a beautiful day. I hated to go inside and work. Well, I could take my cutting mat and take these and go sit out in the shade in the patio, and I could work outside and enjoy that beautiful day. So here are my basic squares from my scraps. And in Quilt Club Week, there is a video on scraps that I've done, a lot of different ones to help keep you organized. So here you can see how I've got these all trimmed up in here. So make your basic squares, trim them up. Then you want to put 3 together. So let me just grab 3. So you want some different colors. So you're going to put 3 together. So 3 flying geese together. And it makes, when you use 3, 2 will give you a square, but 3 will give you a rectangle. So you can see how you just put, so 3 together. And then the next step, I'm going to do a short strip of color on the top and a small strip or scrap on the bottom. Sew your 3 together, sew a dark or color on the top, and sew a light on the bottom. So this becomes your square in the middle. So just like we had our square in the middle with our strips on this side, that's what we're doing here, but we have a rectangle in the middle with our flying geese, and now we're going to put a strip on all 4 sides.